Hey, I'm going to teach you how to make a pot of coffee, and we're going to do it in under 3 minutes because you got things to do. So let's get started. Hey everybody, welcome back to Jacob's Bear Coffee Roastery. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a pot of coffee. Something that may seem variably easy, but for a lot of people it's pretty difficult because they can't get the right grind size. Sometimes they don't know how much water to put, they don't know how much scoops to put in, and I'm here to fix all that for you. So let's get started. So first of all, let's talk about what to use when inputting your coffee inside the coffee pot into the filter, okay? I'm not gonna make this video long and drawn out. I know I could break down all the mathematics of coffee and totally just confuse the heck out of you, but in this case, I'm just gonna make your life easy. These are the exact same thing. If you've ever seen one of these right here, these are 1 tablespoon measurements, or otherwise known as 7 grams or 0.25 ounces of ground coffee that you can put in this. Just call it a tablespoon. Make your life easy. Why are you making your life hard? You want to get one of these and then put anywhere between 9 to 14 scoops inside the pot. Now that's based off strength and what you want. We found that the sweet spot is around 10.5 to 12 to get that nice, even, balanced golden cup of coffee. You can get most coffees pre-ground, but ideally you're going to want a medium to medium fine grind. If you don't drink a lot of coffee and you don't want it to go to waste, you can just reduce everything in half, your scoops to water ratio. Right here we're putting in 12 scoops for this particular pot. And you can play with this. I mean, this isn't locked and key. You can put more coffee in, or you can put less coffee in and try what you want. Coffee is pretty distributive. You can do it with whatever you want with it. All right, the moment of truth now. Oh yeah. Fantastic. That is a great cup of coffee right there. All right, guys, I showed you how to make a pot of coffee in under 3 minutes. You asked, I delivered. So do me a favor and hit that subscribe button down below, and I hope you guys have a great day. Thanks again.